Hello traders, you are welcome to this video and I especially welcome you back to the Forex Geek channel. If you've ever wanted to trade stocks directly from your MT4 platform but had no idea how to get started, this video is your complete walkthrough. I'm breaking it down step by step, so by the end of this video you'll know how to add and trade stocks on MT4 like a pro. Okay, now let's just quickly dive into it. First things first, you have to open your MT4 terminal and you head to the market watch. Just go to view, you go to market watch. All right, you right click anywhere inside market watch and select show all. All right, so this will display all the instruments that your broker offers, including available stocks. Now, keep in mind, not all brokers offer stock CFDs on MT4. You need to be using a broker that supports stock trading via MetaTrader 4. If you don't see any stocks in your market watch, check with your broker or switch to one that does support stock assets. Now, you scroll through the list and you look for stock symbols. All right, they might be labeled like AAPL, TSLA, MSFT, or depending on the broker, they might include suffixes like .cfd or .stk. Once you find the stock that you want, all right, just ensure that you found the stock that you want. Okay, yeah, we have some stocks here, right? So you select the stock that you want, you right click and choose chart window. All right, now you've got your stock chart ready. This is the Apple stock. You can see selected. We have different stocks here. You can see Google, you can see General Electric, and so on and so forth, right? Okay, so once you have the chart opened, you can apply indicators. You can draw trend lines, set up your strategy like you were used to. All right, basically it's just like the chart that if you have been trading currency pairs for a long time and maybe you were just getting to know about trading stocks on MT4, there is nothing to worry about, right? Because it is the same chart, just a different asset. Okay, but same technical analysis and all of that. All right, okay, so if you already have a strategy that you were using, you can try out the strategy on a demo account first, to know if that strategy is going to work with stocks as well. All right, now to open a trade, you just right click on the chart, select trading, select new order, or you can just go ahead and press sorry about that. You can just go ahead and press F9 on your chart. All right, but on your Windows, I just want to show you something. Just want to show you something. All right, okay, so on your keyboard, right, you can press the FN button, this FN button here, right? You hold it and then you press F9, right? I am just using the on-screen keyboard to show you, but I'm going to do that same thing right now on my actual keyboard, my physical keyboard. So I press on FN and I press on F9 and you can see the new order dialog box is going to pop up. So you can either use this method or you can use this right click and come here, trading and new order method, or you can just come up here and just click on new order. You see there are different ways. All right, I'm just trying to show you the different ways that you can access your new order dialog box. Okay, so due to one reason or another, you might find a challenge using one of these methods, so you can try out the other method. So I'm just showing you the different methods. Okay, so Then the setup is the same setup, is the same setup with Forex, with but a few things to watch out for. All right, you make sure that the right stock is selected. Okay, and then this is the volume. This is for the lot size. All right, you can actually enter the particular lot size that you want to use. This is your sell button, it's your buy button. Make sure you double check your broker's contract specs. Okay, for stocks 1.0 usually equals 1 share. All right, but double check your broker's contract specifications. All right, okay, and then when you want to execute a trade, ensure that you do not neglect your stop loss and take profits. Okay, enter your levels manually, or you can just visually add them to the chart after entering the trade. Okay, and then of course you have to choose your order type, whether it's market execution for instant trades, or if you want to use pending orders. All right, we've talked about order types in the previous video. You might want to check them out. Okay, so you can see buy limits, sell limits, buy stop, sell stop. Now here are a few quick tips to keep in mind when trading stocks on MT4. All right, ensure that you check market hours. Stock markets have limited hours, unlike Forex. So if you are trading stocks, if you are trying to trade after hours, orders might not be executed. Okay, orders might not be executed. For example, let's just check specifications here. Right, you can see that okay, you can see what I was talking about. You can see, look at the quotes of on Monday. It's from 16:30 to 22:55. That's for the quotes. And then for the trade, so the times that is available to trade, 16:35 to 22:55. This is for Tuesday, this is for Wednesday, this is for Thursday, this is for Friday. Okay, so you have to watch out for the times that the stocks are available, the quote sessions, the trade sessions. Okay, just ensure that you are trading in line with the availability of those stocks for the particular sessions that you want to trade them in. Now, talking about volatility, stocks can be more volatile, especially around earnings reports or news events. So always use stop loss and manage your risk properly. Now, with respect to news impact, always stay updated on economic news and earnings calendars that could impact your stock trades. So that is it, guys. Now you know exactly how to add and trade stocks on MT4. No confusion, just a clean setup. All right, just a clean setup. All right, a clean and simple setup for that matter. Okay, so if this helped you out, go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe to the channel for more trading tutorials just like this. See you in the next one. Happy trading.